A DIY project is a smart door lock. The four members of the project are Archana S, Nishta Kajoria, Ankit Saha, and Ritik Prajapati. The goal of this project was to build a modern, easy to use smart door lock that allows for accessible unlocking and adds convenience, utility, and security to our homes. It allows the user to open their door via entering password through this keypad. As we can see here, it says to enter password, and when we do so, the door latch goes inside and the door is unlocked. We can again lock the door by pressing this button as put in the code. If we want to see the components, we have used arduino Uno, ITC LCD, servo motor, manual door lock, door latch, and a USB cable. Every component is connected to jumper wires. If we need to see how the latch actually works, let's put the password. See how the servo motor brings the door latch inside and the door is unlocked, and again after pressing start, the door locks again. Okay, what happens when we enter a wrong password? If it displays wrong password, try again in 10 seconds. Now it again asks for the right password, and when we do so, the door unlocks again. A very useful feature of the smart door lock is that the person does not need to carry a key always with him. Instead, this keypad allows it to unlock the door without using a key, so there is no hassle of losing your key and being locked outside your house. This is a smart door lock made in a very eco-friendly and economical way. Thank you.